Hi, my name is Martin Schulz. I'm with Infineon Technologies, and I'm happy to see you at the PCIM 2019 and our booth to showcase what we can do in an application we abbreviate with CAV. CAV is Commercial and Agricultural Vehicle, and it literally contains anything from a three-wheeled electric rickshaw to the 400-ton mining truck. The major application in this is the electric bus. The European Union detected that heavy-duty vehicles contribute 25% to the emissions in traffic, and buses are a major part of it. So here there's a great option to do something for the environment and to reduce the particle matter exhaust in cities. The major thing in the bus is the drivetrain, of course, and the product we have inside is the EconoDual, which is a perfect device to build up the drivetrains to 150 or 250 kilowatt. If it comes to harsher environments like in construction machines, wheel loaders or mining equipment, you want something that is more resistant to vibration, and we can offer prime packs. And a very new design we came up with at the PCIM this year, very first time, is a device that is perfectly suited for driving switch reluctance machines. In buses, for luxury reasons, you want low vibration, so permanent magnet machines are the matter of choice. In construction vehicles and mining trucks, driving comfort isn't on top of the wish list, but robustness is, and torque density is. So here, switch reluctance machines make an impact, and the FR900 is a device that features both the choppers you need for a single phase of switch reluctance machines. Essentially, having three modules to drive a permanent magnet machine remains the same design with having three of those modules to drive a switch reluctance machine. But electric buses are more than just their drivetrains. You want charging infrastructure to refill the batteries, and there's four ways of doing this. One way is inductive charging, which is a predestined solution if your bus has a dedicated start-stop position. This is the case, for example, on airports, where the bus picks up people at the very same position on an airplane and delivers people to the terminals. It may also be a good idea to have trolleys that capture the baggage and bring it to the terminal, have inductive charging. In larger cities that already have catenaries installed for tramways, opportunity charging by pantograph may become a great option. So here, a DC line is connected by a retractable pantograph. A DC-DC converter changes the line voltage to whatever battery voltage is installed, and the power electronic, of course, has to be a most efficient one. That's why we also see silicon carbide in auxiliary applications like DC converters or the onboard charger, which is the next option to refill your batteries. So an onboard charger that you carry with the bus shouldn't grow too big. You don't want a 300 kilowatt charger, half a ton of weight inside the bus. But if the bus is part of a fleet that is idling at night, then several hours of charging would be available, and your onboard charger could be something like 50 or 60 kilowatt and still would do the trick. The final option to charge the bus would be public infrastructure. So we do see that the Ionity has rolled out and started to install 350 kilowatt chargers according to CCS standard. They are currently deploying 400 parks throughout all Europe, offering 6 to 8 charging stations which can simultaneously provide 350 kilowatts of power to your electric vehicle. Whether the vehicle is an electric bus or an electric car, for the charger it doesn't matter. 350 kilowatt of charging means you can recharge a passenger car 400 kilometers in less than 12 minutes or 100 kilometers in 4 minutes. So just zip your coffee and go the next 100 kilometers. For a bus, however, we're talking about battery capacities 300 to 400 kilowatt hours potentially. So even here, the lunch break in a coach would be good enough to get the bus running for another 300 kilometers. This all is based on power electronic conversion, and both IGBT solution and silicon carbide solutions are installed and in place, and Infineon can offer all the components you need to keep electric mobility on the road. Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure to be with you again, and hope to see you on PCIM 2020.